In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit to Coinbase via bank transfer, SWIFT. First, sign in to your Coinbase account. Once you're in, look for the deposit button at the top of your screen. If you don't see it or prefer another route, you can go to Settings and then Payment Methods. Both paths take you to the same place, where you can manage how you move money in and out of your account. Next, add your bank account as a payment method. Choose Add a payment method, select bank account, and then pick SWIFT or bank transfer based on what's available in your country. This lets Coinbase know you'll be funding your account via a bank transfer rather than a card or other method. Now Coinbase will show you the exact bank details you need for the transfer. You'll see the bank name, the account name, your IBAN or account number, the SWIFT or BIC code, and a unique reference code. Take your time here and copy everything exactly as shown. That reference code is especially important because it links the incoming money to your Coinbase account. Before we continue, if you need the app or want to access Coinbase on the web, I've placed the official website link and the app download link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct place quickly and safely. With those details ready, open your bank's app or visit your bank in person or online. Choose an international or SWIFT transfer. Paste the Coinbase bank details into the fields provided by your bank and double check that your name on the bank account matches your Coinbase account name. Enter the reference code exactly as displayed. No extra spaces or characters. This is critical to avoid delays. Once everything looks correct, confirm and send the transfer. After you've sent it, all that's left is to wait for the funds to arrive. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days. Weekends, holidays, and bank cutoff times can add a little extra time. When the transfer is completed, your funds will appear in your Coinbase balance, ready for you to use. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the account name matches on both sides. Always include the reference code, and be aware that your bank may charge a transfer fee. If your bank asks for information you don't see, check the deposit screen again, and use only the details Coinbase provides there. Avoid sharing your Coinbase login or codes with anyone, and only send from accounts in your name. That's it for today's walkthrough. I hope this helped you feel confident about depositing to Coinbase via bank transfer. Thanks for watching.